Hi y'all, Denise Becker. This is the worst of the weather we're getting right now. Um, they're predicting we could get a gust up to 80 miles an hour. It's I've seen about 6 or so transformers blow. We haven't gotten a ton of rain. It's just mainly the wind, but thank goodness it's not a, it's a Cat 1, so it's not going to do a lot of structural damage here. There's been damage over on the beach because the beaches are totally eroded. A couple of houses in Daytona have actually almost gone into the ocean. So, yeah, this is the worst of it right now. I think I just saw a flash a while ago of a transformer. I think they said about 18,000 people in Brevard County have lost power. Ours went out for a minute, thank goodness. Yeah, this is the worst we're gonna get. So we're actually in pretty good shape as long as the winds don't get much stronger than this. It won't blow shingles off or anything like that, although our fence in the backyard is about to go down. I just hope it doesn't go flying. Yeah, I saw on the radar there's that red and orange stuff you see on the radar, the bad stuff that's coming our way. Yeah, it's blowing like a banshee. Oh boy. Hope it doesn't get any worse than this. This I can handle. And we still have power, so that's a big plus. But these winds are vicious. And this is a Cat 1. Look at that. These winds are howling. Yeah, that tree a little while ago looked like the branches were getting all twisted together. Back to this one. We've had that sideways rain come down. Boy, listen to that. I'm just shocked we have power. And this is going to be the worst of it. So we'll be in pretty good shape. Except for the back fence. That I can deal with. Oh, fix it out. Sorry, my door just flew open. It seemed a little bit rougher just a little while ago, about 15 minutes ago. But, oh boy, yeah, there you go. Look at that. It's amazing. Wow. Wow. Ooh. Yeah, it's not fun, I tell you. You hear all kinds of things bump. Oh, I'll be so glad when this thing is over. I just saw another flash. I don't know if that was lightning or what. Oh, I'm sorry, my door's open again. Sorry. I'm gonna stand here and hold it. My door keeps blowing open. It must be in between a squall line because it was really, really blowing just a few minutes ago. This is not so bad, actually. Yeah, so that's what a tropical storm looks like. You don't want to be in a hurricane, I'll tell you. This is in the month of November. Hasn't been we haven't had a hurricane here on the East Coast since they've been taking records, keeping records of it. So this is really rare. Can't believe it. 2 weeks before Thanksgiving, and this is what we got. Yeah, it's blowing. It's really blowing. But thank goodness, like I said, it's a Cat 1 and it's not going to blow down houses. It could easily take off shingles if the wind got a little stronger, but I don't think it will. We're going to luck out again. I hope. We've got a few more hours to go, but it's going to be moving away. It's just about making landfall now, so this should be the worst of it. It just steadily got worse and worse and worse throughout the day. Boy, that wind is loud. It is howling. Alright, so just wanted to show y'all, let you hear what it's like. Oh, that's a good one. That's a good gust right there. Wow. But we do have good building codes here in Florida because of hurricanes, so houses can take this kind of stress. Wow. Oh, I think that was lightning. Look at that. Just hear it. Ooh, scary. We did have a palm tree in our front yard, but lightning struck it. Alright, y'all. I just wanted to show you. This hopefully is the worst we're going to get, and we're going to make it through with not much problem, though I see that sideways rain now. Unbelievable. Alright, y'all, I'll let you go. Thank you so much for watching, and my poor state got hit again. Unbelievable. I will see you soon. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.